Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ options with the help of a price action strategy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, we are now live on Euro USD and let me analyze the market quickly. Okay, the trend is a downtrend. Let's wait for the right opportunity and take a trade according to the market's movement. I'll just skip forward to the part where I take the trade and then explain you why I took the trade with detailed explanation. Guys, I've just placed the down trade over here. However, our entry just got delayed a little bit. We were supposed to be opening our trade here, but it's fine. A small difference is fine with 5-minute trades. So the reason why I took this trade is because, as you can see, the major trend of the market is downtrend, and I noticed something that the market is moving in a very bearish moment where the market falls down steeply and then is forming a short bearish flags. Market is falling down, forming bearish flags. The same thing happened here as well. The market fell down and was traveling through this channel. Once the channel was broken here, I took a down trade. So let's see if this is a confirmed breakout or a false breakout once the trade ends. Another loss for the day, guys. Another loss. Back-to-back 2 losses for both the days. So let me just explain the setup and let me also explain you why the trade failed. It's because our analysis was right that the market was moving in the downtrend, and as you can see, the breakout was also evident as the market was getting rejected from the very level again and again. What went wrong is that the sellers were not present around this area to push the market further down. The buyers were active. As you can see, there was quite good support from this level, so the market started ranging between these two areas, and that is it, guys, for the 5 minutes trade. And I'll just take a short break and then I'll come back and take 1-minute trades, which I will be posting in a separate video. So stay tuned for that. And that is it for the 5-minute session. Thank you. Have a good day.